Guys, do you guys like pineapple on your pizza or no? I think it's fire. I think it belongs.
Some people think I'm weird, but I love pineapple on pizza.
I think it's fire.
I can't eat pizza without pineapple. Look at this shit. Our cars are disgusting, bro. Look how dirty this is. This might be the dirtiest my GTR's ever been. Look at the wheels, bro. Shits are brown. This shit's dirty too.
Hella dirty, bro.
We got some dusty ass cars.
We're dusty.
Hella dusty. Look at this. We definitely need to wash the car today. All right, guys, let's get the GTR all washed finally. Woo, this shit is dirty. E92's all clean. This color looks so good. Hugo wants to wrap it, but I told him I think the color looks perfect, bro. Just redo the headlights like a blacked out housing. This thing will look crazy. GTR is all clean finally, all black. Look how much the carbon trunk stands out against the black paint. Holy crap, bro. The carbon trunk looks so good. Bro, it looks so good in all black. I love it. I still need to put these things on, so don't mind these. They're in my trunk. I just gotta get 3M tape. But look how good the car looks, guys. Sheesh. All right, guys, we're gonna head to this little canyon that's close to my house, and I think we're gonna end up switching cars. I want to drive the E92 for a vlog. I have the GoPro with me, so maybe do a little point of view drive in the E92. If you guys remember those videos, I used to do them all the time in my E92, so I think it'll be pretty cool to drive Hugo's car. And it's stick shift, so I'm sure it's gonna be pretty fun. And I'll let him whip the GTR a little bit. Hopefully Hugo doesn't break this lip, bro. Who remembers when Hugo broke my E36 lip? If you remember, you're a real one, because that's an old video. But yeah, Hugo broke my E36 M3 lip. Good thing it was like a $100 plastic lip. But if he breaks this one, it's a $1,500 lip, bro. Anyways, the cars are all clean. This car really needs like a good detail. Like you can see, like I didn't even scrub it. I just sprayed it. But it does look 100 times better than it was. I kind of want Hugo to drive it so I can see it drive. Fuck, it looks really good, bro. All black with like the red brakes, red seats. Kevin? I'm gonna say this right now, I think I like the black more than the red. 100%. I think I do. Not gonna lie. Alright, hopefully I don't crash. I'm following you. Okay. Alright guys, well, I'm sure you guys are happy to see this view again. Nick in the E92 M3 again? What? I know guys, I missed it just as much as you guys. Sounds so freaking good, bro. And his is stick shift. I wish I got my stick shift, but DCT is fun too, not gonna lie. If I got another one, it would be kind of hard to choose DCT or stick shift. I'd probably go with stick shift just because I already had a DCT, but they're both super fun to drive. I've driven both. You guys ready? I'm scared. Hopefully I don't break his lip. Hopefully I don't blow the rod bearings or the throttle actuators. Oh, it sounds so good, bro. And the GTR looks so good. Bro, there's no way his car is this loud. Oh my god, he can't even see. It's so sunny. Excuse me, sir. Oh my god, bro. Let's see if I can downshift. Oh, that shit sounds DCT, bro. fun, guys. Oh my god, it's so much fun to drive. I actually drove his car to go get a haircut this morning, and I texted him. I'll screenshot the message. I told him, you could have the GTR, bro. The M3 is so much more fun to drive. Don't get me wrong, the GTR is one of the funnest cars to drive. It's so freaking fast, and there's no power like the GTR. Like you don't feel that in any other car, how that car pulls. But this car is just so much fun. Like it just grips the floor of the E92. It shifts so good and it sounds so good, bro. Like I'm gonna try to whip it real quick. You gonna know I'm about to try something stupid. That was so fun. That was probably the most fun I've had in a long time in a car. Oh my god, this shit just drifts so easy, bro. I always tell everyone that, like when I had my E92, that car is so easy to control. I don't know why, like I can do donuts and control it with one hand so easily, bro. I feel like it has like just the perfect amount of power. It can use a little bit more, I'm not gonna lie, but it's still fun. And I said this in the last video, I think, but Hugo has my old exhaust setup. I literally gave him my muffler delete and my resonator delete and the test pipes as well. So he has like the whole exact setup that I had on mine. So this car sounds exactly how my E92 used to sound, which is crazy. It feels and it sounds like I'm driving my old car again. Bro, it sounds just like my old car. I hope Hugo's careful because my GTR low-key has no tires. About to see my GTR go off the cliff. I just love downshift in this car. It sounds so good. What do you guys think? Get another E92? I feel kind of stupid, guys. I'm not gonna lie, for selling it. Probably should have kept it a little bit longer, especially because like how much they're going for right now. I could have made way more money on my car if I sold it now than earlier. Like I said, one day I'll buy another E92. Not anytime soon probably, but one day. It's gonna be stick shit probably. Oh my god, bro, I don't think you guys can hear it on the camera, but hear this shit. Dude, the intake sound crazy on the GTR. And you goes out of gas? Oh no, bro, we gotta get down ASAP. Damn, the black looks good.
This is a pretty cool spot for pictures.
Woo, that car is so much fun, bro. But Hugo's almost out of gas. Now you can leave it on. We're gonna take some photos real quick. I have no pictures of the GTR in black, so it's the perfect spot.
Bro, the GTR sounds crazy.
I know, I can hear it from the behind, bro. Bro, it's crazy. We're driving, and I'm not kidding, for like 1 second, half a second, I forgot my car was black. I looked in the mirror, I was like, there's a black GTR behind me, bro. Alright, we're gonna take some photos real quick of both the cars. As always, I mean, I haven't done it in a long time, but I'll throw the photos on the screen right here, however they come out. Let me know how those photos came out. I think they came out really sick. The GTR just looks so freaking good, bro. Like, I can't even get over it. Look at this, bro. Oh my god. I literally love the GTR like this, bro. It's perfect. The paint's so nice. Hugo's E92. Back in the GTR. This shit feels so much different. Like they're two completely different cars. This shit's about to feel so fast. Oh my god. It feels so different. This car, what I could tell off the bat is you have to turn the wheels so much in the canyons. The E92, the turn radius is just so short, if that makes any sense. I don't know. Hopefully that makes sense. This is not a canyon car right here, especially with these tires. Oh my god. This car gets up to speed so fast. Oh my god. Yeah, the GTR just does not feel like it's made for turns, bro. Compared to the M3. Damn, the sunset looks nice, bro. Sheesh. Well guys, that's probably gonna end the video. Pretty short video, but me and Hugo just want to go on a little cruise, have a little photo shoot, also do a little point of view video in his car. If you guys enjoyed that, smash the like button for me. I appreciate it so much. I appreciate all the love and support on the recent videos. I've been trying to post more, if you guys noticed. I've been kind of like daily vlogging, bro. So loud, bro. Anyways, like I said, that's probably gonna end the video right there. Go watch Hugo's YouTube video too. I'm gonna leave the link down below. He filmed the whole entire video today. Like I said, he moved down here, so he's gonna be in all the vlogs now, filming a bunch of content with me. So if you guys wanna see another perspective of the day, go watch Hugo's video. Smash the like button for me, I appreciate it so much. Comment down below what you guys thought about the point of view video in the E92 M3. I know you guys missed that car, I missed it too. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.
I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see in 26. Shit. Real shit, nigga. Nigga, that's real shit. Well, y'all catching feelings.